Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Motorola S50 Neo. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match, and now click here on Hey Google. Then click on more and then I agree, more and I agree. Then click next. And now click on retrain voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click next. And now click back and click on lock screen and click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.